Wow. Sweet. Sorry, man. All right. In today's business climate, if you're not data-driven, you're leaving money on the table. Google Analytics is the perfect tool to help you make informed decisions about your e-commerce strategy. I'm Jesse Ringer, and I'm the founder of Method and Metric, an SEO agency based in Vancouver, BC. Our data-driven methods help startups and enterprise companies generate more revenue and reach new customers. With nearly a decade of SEO experience, I've helped people like you make sense of their analytics data. And I'm gonna teach you how to put this power of analytics to work for your business so that you can grow a thriving e-commerce shop. From understanding what your top traffic sources are to knowing which products are helping generate the most revenue, Google Analytics puts you firmly in control of your marketing and product selection. Through this course, you will learn how to organize your account so that you're collecting clean data, how to interpret this data to measure what matters, and how to create goals and custom reports to get a deeper analysis. Do you need to know if that ad campaign was worth the investment, or if anyone read your latest blog post? Or maybe you just want to have a better understanding of your high-value customers. By the end of this course, you'll have the answers to these questions and be able to uncover tangible insights to help you drive your business forward. So join me and become an analytics whiz. That was better. All right.